EDaily conversation.
Leaving home.
I am getting ready to leave my house now.
What time do you need to catch your bus?
I need to catch the bus at 8 o'clock.
That means you should leave soon.
Yes, I am putting on my shoes now.
Do not forget to bring your bag.
I have my bag and my phone with me.
That is good.
I also need to bring my lunch today.
Where is your lunchbox?
It is in the kitchen on the table.
Please take it before you leave.
Thank you for reminding me.
You are welcome.
I think I'm ready to go now.
What time is it now?
It is already 7:45.
You do not have much time left.
Yes, I need to hurry now.
The bus stop is not very far, but you should walk fast.
I will walk quickly to the bus stop.
Be careful on your way.
I will be careful.
Have a good day at work.
Thank you. I will try my best.
Running to bus stop. I am walking very fast to the bus stop. You look like you are in a hurry.
Yes, I do not want to miss my bus.
What time does your bus arrive?
It usually arrives at 8 o'clock.
You still have a few minutes left.
I hope the bus is not early today.
Sometimes the bus comes earlier than usual.
That makes me feel worried.
You should run a little faster.
I'm starting to run now.
Be careful when you run on the street.
I will watch the road carefully.
The bus stop is just ahead.
Yes, I can see it from here.
You are almost there.
I am trying my best to reach it.
Do you see the bus?
I think I see something in the distance.
That might be your bus.
Oh no, I need to go faster.
Keep running. You might still catch it.
I am running as fast as I can.
You are very close now.
I hope I can make it.
Missing the bus.
Oh no, the bus is leaving now.
Try to wave your hand.
I am waving, but the driver does not see me.
The bus is already moving away.
I cannot believe I missed the bus.
That is very unfortunate.
I was only a few seconds late.
Sometimes that happens.
I feel very disappointed right now.
It is okay. You can find another way.
I needed that bus to go to work.
There might be another bus soon.
I am not sure about the schedule.
You can check on your phone.
I will check the bus schedule now.
That is a good idea.
The next bus comes in 30 minutes.
That is quite a long time to wait.
Yes, I will be late for work.
That is not good.
I should have left my house earlier.
You can learn from this experience.
Yes, I will be more careful next time.
What will you do now?
I need to think about another way.
Feel worried.
I feel very worried about being late.
You should call your boss.
Yes, I need to explain the situation.
It is better to be honest.
I will make a phone call now.
What will you say to your boss?
I will say that I missed the bus this morning.
That sounds clear and honest.
I hope my boss understands me.
Your boss might understand if you explain well.
I do not want to make a bad impression.
Just speak politely and clearly.
My heart is beating fast again.
Try to stay calm.
I am trying to relax.
That will help you speak better.
I am calling now.
Good luck with your call.
Thank you. I need it.
Everything will be okay.
I hope so.
Finding another way.
I need to find another way to go to work.
You can take a taxi.
That might be faster.
Yes, it will save you time.
I will check for a taxi nearby.
You can also use a ride app.
That is a good idea.
Is there a driver available?
Yes, there is one near me.
How long will it take to arrive?
It will arrive in 5 minutes.
That is very fast.
I will book the ride now.
Good decision.
The driver is coming soon.
You will reach your office faster now.
I feel a little better now.
That is good to hear.
Next time I will leave home earlier.
That will help you avoid this problem.
I have learned my lesson today.
That is important.
The taxi is here now.
Great. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. See you later.